Hey, why are you so happy, huh?
Of course I'm happy, Dad. I just installed something new in the toilet.
Huh? What is that?
It's a brand new electric bidet.
This is a very normal house only. Need to be so high-tech for what, huh? 1 year, 365 days. 365 days, 52 weeks. 1 week, 7 days. 1 day, 24 hours. You tell me, huh? How many days? How many hours? How many times do you go inside the toilet? Huh? Worth it or not?
It's so worth it that you're not gonna believe it. With so many amazing features, and everyone will use it at least twice a day.
How amazing can a bidet be? Wash bathtub only one.
呢個嘢啊，好勁㗎 ！Japanese technology, Japanese design, Japan quality. It is also super hygienic, reliable, user-friendly, and durable.
好多
Not only that, it also comes with a stainless steel nozzle with massage and oscillation mode, plus warm water wash and self-warming toilet seat to keep you super soft. It's also very easy to clean. The advanced AG Plus toilet seat is 99% antibacterial with an auto nozzle cleaning function that keeps everything cleaner. We can save so much money. Now we can use less toilet paper to save the earth and your wallet.
So good one.
We can also reduce the risk of clogging the toilet with toilet papers. Mom no longer need to spend so much time cleaning up the toilet. You know, the other day, she almost slipped and fell because of the floor so wet. But it is so much safer now. There's no more water splashing on the floor from the handheld bidet. Our toilet is kept clean, dry, refreshing, and will have less mold.
Sounds very good, huh?
It is now so much easier to stay hygienic and maintain regular toilet usage for and a limited movement. We can all enjoy the 3D curved seat and sit for a long time in the toilet. So good or not,
Wow, I'm going to get another one, for the other toilet now,
High quality, cost saving, easy to clean, and antibacterial. So what are you waiting for? Go get one now.
Help me tell your mama I'm not going to join her for lunch.
Panasonic.